they'll frustrate you. And they do nothing. Mudhara Akaputirwa uya mkuru wangu. Sekuru akaputirwa takazviona kudhara isusu.
And he's got enemies. He's surrounded by his enemies, Shamwari. Surrounded.
Apasina munhu paya sekuru. Apasina munhu paya. I told you sekuru. Ngada sekuru itaise
Andina umboramba. I think iwewe neni tichete my differences edu is timing. And I explained to you why I'm a bit cautious on these issues.
I even told you even KT. Algorithms were left, right, and center in the system. They sponsor Americans to write bad reports about him.
And the sponsors are people within the system itself.
And that DJ against the report with him cool. And I tell him, Shama, this man will throw you under the bus.
What's your thoughts on DJ?
And in that DJ, we used to be close. We did a lot of things. But I then told him one day, there's Ngwaya. He told me about Ngwaya. Because we used to run a paro structure. I end up with Mudhara. Ninya indoenda ofutikoka with me. So you see, one thing you must know so that you understand security. I don't need ED. ED needs me. And that's what I tell people. I'm not a politician. I've no government view. I've no government tender. I don't ask you for business. I've sacrificed for you. I've no government deal. I made money during the Mugabe time. I'm comfortable. Security. I don't need anything. That's why with the attacks I have, I could be exposed every day of my life. Listen, that he knows it himself. If there's any person who he knows is me, that's Mudhara. And Rutendo Shungurut. Because I am the only person who could tell him the truth. I don't have to see him for what? Kana Mudhara arasika. So people going to Temba saying that leave Temba alone. People have confessed to me that we weren't trying to attack you, President. President said, we must see that one of Babangu you don't see him, but why should I see him when he does not listen? So there is nothing special about seeing him.
But if we know that he's surrounded by his enemies, must we not keep knocking and telling him?
Tell him what? Akaputirwa ni
Mshonga wani?
When July mo. Do you know he's written letters twice to fire July, and those letters have not been read?
Wow.
You must understand, whoever I touch loses a job. Muda did it. Now I'm going for July. My narrative is clear on July. You see it. It's going down. Sekuru, in any spiritual nduguta, auru edeni sekuru. When Mugabe fired me, I wrote a letter to him, everybody to tell him, what you've done is wrong. You'll be the next person. The precedent you've set is wrong. Mugabe kept on saying it. When people came to me and said, I said it publicly, but Matinyarare, teacher that time. It happened. Muda, I said it. July is next, Matanga is next. You cannot have such people. I told him about that why. Office, you transact deals, but it is the individuals who are transacting deals with. There's nothing else.
Yeah, I believe you, because nyika yedu yatiri mwangu it's dangerous. Kweza katogara uko not comfortable kana kudya, because you don't know achakuisira poison muchikafu.
They see as an enemy. The next thing they end up talking rubbish. You see, he hasn't got an aura. Bob, you don't talk rubbish. Listen, I used to see Bob every month, 3 hours on Temba Bob. When I met Bob and I did, you can say what you want, but you thought you were talking to a leader and a decision was made. Are you with me?
But then people say Bob's power came from this very same number one Saka. Can we really give credit to Bob? Yeah, you are, and he was the head of security. He was the head of Nigrigini, of putting the armed forces together, of security and intelligence.
What? It's a myth. Bob, he came through Tongokara. You must understand his history. In Zambia, he came through. He was denied helping the war veterans. But then later on, because there was a war between the Zezurus and the Karangas in Zambia. The Karangas were wiped out. And then he realized that he needed...
Yeah.
After the figure power, guys from Israel have teamed up with Chamisa voluntarily to give him security heads up. People who used to be pro-ED in the campaign have gone to Chamisa. Did you know that?
Inda.